everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And we got Greg again. And why? Because his Beachly men's box showed up. So it's his box, so he's got to be here when we open it, right?
Sure.
What? That's very sarcastic.
I think you opened the last one without me.
I did, because you wouldn't be filmed.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Now, the Beachly men's box. I would say this is one of the best subscriptions boxes out there, period. Because the value is amazing. I want to say, is it like 99 or 109? Somewhere around there. But what they get is amazing. This one, the men's, puts the women's box to shame, in my opinion. But Greg is going to let one of the cats in. They're crying. And then we are going to get into unboxing the video. Oh my goodness. One left. And
They just wanted the door open.
they just want the door open. Okay, Greg. So here's what the box looks like inside. Pick it up.
Hello, sunshine.
I love that they always put a beautiful card in here. This is the winter 2025. And it says, Winter by the Sea is a season all its own. Quiet mornings, crisp air, and a coastline that feels wild and alive. Love it. All right, Greg, take out your first item and let's see what he says.
Okay, related brand house slippers. Never heard of them.
Oh, I like them though.
Yeah.
Oh, I like them. Oh, you gotta give them up closer.
Stripey
You
design.
guys, don't you love them? So you got, it's nice and cushiony. Look at that.
There's the underside.
I like them. Oh, that is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Fancy. Put them on. Tell us how they feel. These are like the perfect ones when you're taking the trash out. They look really good.
Yeah, they fit nice. They're soft, comfortable to stand on. I mean, they're slippers.
I like them.
They don't blow me away, but they're slippers. I mean, they're comfortable. They're not bad.
What can you do? All right, what's next?
This is from Brixton Quality Goods. It looks like it is a beanie cap.
Okay. I like the color.
Green. Yeah.
Hunter green. Here we go. He's going to try it
I
on.
have a very large head, so see if it fits.
It fits,
It
but
fits, sort of.
I think
Center the
you gotta
tag.
do something a little bit. But
Yeah, it
Yeah.
fits.
I like it. You can wear it to the Christmas tree lighting this year.
Yeah, I'll wear it when
So-
I'm out shoveling snow.
There you go. Another win.
That's a good one.
Okay, what else we got in
I
there?
don't know what it has to do with the beach, though. All right.
The cool nights on the beach.
This is from Reef.
We get a lot of stuff from Reef in this box.
It is a hoodie. It's a cream colored hoodie. That's the front. And then the back has the Reef logo. Very
Like
big.
it.
Yeah. So he's got some designs on there.
Oh, I like
Floral
that.
design.
That's really, I'm not going to say that's really pretty because he probably won't like that.
Yeah, you'll probably steal it anyway. So
Yeah.
this one is extra large.
So nice, big,
So,
comfy.
Yeah, it should fit pretty good. But yeah.
There you go. When you're shoveling snow.
Yeah, a hoodie's always good. I mean,
Yeah. All right, what else do we, how many other things do we have in here? We got like 2 more things in here, you guys. See what I'm saying about like the value? The guys always, their boxes are great.
This one is from Katin, Katin.
Oh, I like this.
This is definitely my style of shirt. Long sleeve, plaid,
I like
nice
it.
and warm.
It's got a
Yeah, this is definitely my style of
little
shirt.
branding down there.
I would totally wear this to work. This is
Yeah.
definitely me.
On the sleeves, we got the extra buttons. That's
Mm-hmm.
nice. I like that a lot.
I like this one a lot.
There you go. Okay, what's your last item in the box?
Last item in the box, we have a t-shirt, also from Brixton.
Whoops.
The same ones that did the green hat.
Okay.
So this is the front side with their logo.
Oceanside, California.
And then this is the back side.
Nice.
Yeah,
Thoughts?
I'll wear it. I mean, yeah, I definitely wear it around the house.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it's
comfortable.
standard fit t-shirt is what it says.
Yeah,
So Greg.
it's an XL. So.
Yeah. So I'm going to say 109 because I don't think it's 99, but I know it's not too much more. So quarterly box. I think this is maybe his third time, I think, getting it.
Mm-hmm.
At least, if not 4 times. So is this something that you would still like to continue to get?
Yeah,
Oh, your slippers.
I totally keep getting this, and the value is there. I mean,
Yeah.
just the hoodie and this shirt probably would cover the cost, and then you got the slippers, the t-shirt, and the hat. So definitely worth it.
Okay, and he must like the slippers, ladies and
Still
gentlemen.
wearing them.
Because he's still wearing them. And they look really good. Okay, I'm going to pan the camera down so you guys can actually see what these slippers look like. Come closer, Greg. Very nice. And,
They're really comfortable though.
yeah, very nice.
Soft to stand on, very comfortable.
All right, you guys. So that is another unboxing for today. This is the quarterly Beachly men's box. If you are looking for a Christmas gift for someone, go check it out. Because he has gotten some amazing shorts before.
Shorts, t-shirts, a lot of good stuff for summer. So.
Yeah. He even got a pair of reef, was it reef sunglasses?
Sunglasses,
Or
yeah.
were they weren't reef. Ron John?
No,
It was a pair of sunglasses.
nice
with-
sunglasses.
Yeah, they were over $200 value-wise. So definitely go check this out now that the holidays are coming up. So hope you guys are having a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.